Rhinoflu virus symptoms. Rhino means nose, Greek word, derivative of that. Viral infection of the nasal membranes. It's a cold. We call it simply a cold. Usually after contact with someone who's infected with the cold, it's usually 1 to 4 days that you'll also present with the symptoms. It can last from 5 to 7 days. The colds are caused by a rhinovirus. It invades the mucous skin lining of the nose and the nasal passages in the throat and the upper airway. The patient presents with a runny nose, sneezing, a sore throat, and a cough. Rhinos are caused by viruses, and it invades the nasal membranes, where it's very thin membrane there, caused by the rhinovirus. And so you know that within contact with someone who has a cold, within 1 to 4 days, you will also have the symptoms of a rhinoflu virus symptoms.